All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here. And tonight, a quick unboxing. I got a watch in from Christopher Ward. I'm really excited about this. Now, if you guys watched the channel, you know last month I got to look at a Christopher Ward. It was the C65 Dartmouth Diver. Really awesome watch, and I was really excited about that. Since then, they reached out to me, asked if I'd like to put another watch on the channel. I said yes. I picked this one out off their website, and I really like this watch. So we're going to do an unboxing tonight. I'm not going to go into the full review about this watch, but I'm really excited to look at this one. Now, I am going to tell you guys as I unbox this, I am going to the Worn and Wound show in San Francisco. I think it's April 22nd and 23rd. I'll be there at that show, and Christopher Ward is going to be there. So I'm really excited about that. It's kind of fun having gotten started in kind of showing their watches here on the channel. And okay, so that's what's in the box. We've got that stuff. There is an invoice, but this is just paperwork related to the channel. And so here's what comes in the box. But to continue with that story, I'm really excited to hopefully get a chance to get together with Christopher Ward, talk to them more about what they do, and maybe record some of that for you guys, maybe talk to somebody in the company. I'm really excited to maybe get a chance to do that. So anyways, but let's check this one out. So inside the box, now I did not have this last time, but this is the Cosc Certificate, which is pretty cool. As you guys can see, this is going to tell you all the information you need to know. And if you guys aren't familiar, these the movements are tested for 15 days under this rigorous treatment, and then all the information is here. And Cosc standard is, I think it's -4 to +6 is where the watches have to fall into. So very strict standard for an automatic watch. So cool that you get the certification there. Let's go ahead and pull the sleeve off the box. And I do like the way Christopher Ward does their boxes. As on this outer sleeve, you can see their logo there. And let's go ahead and pull this off. Slide it off. Outside, you have, at the end of the box here, you do have this wooden type box, and then it has what feels like leather, again with the Christopher Ward in the top there. And we'll go ahead and slide this off. And this is exactly like the C65, the Dartmouth that I looked at as far as the packaging goes. And inside you have this neat leather drawer, as you can see here. You have your information regarding the watch. Go ahead and take a quick look at that. Now, I'm not going to do a full review of this one, but I'm just going to show you guys as we unbox it. This is going to be your warranty card information, more information about the company. We'll go through that in the full review, how to adjust things, and let's go ahead and take a quick look at this. And this is, I think, a cleaning cloth, if I'm not mistaken, but I'll show you that in the full review also. All right, so, I got to pull it out of here. It's got the rubber bands holding it in. And as you guys can see on the wrist today, I am wearing, man, come on. Well, let's see if we can get this. Of course, on camera, nothing is easy when you're doing this kind of stuff, so it's going to fight you. But anyways, here's the C65. This is the Sandhurst model here. Now, let me go ahead and see if we can get the plastic off here on camera. Can I find the edge of the plastic, Aaron? Can you do it? Well, this almost seems to be like, oh no, there it is. There's an edge there, so let's see if I can get that separated. Well, maybe I can just slide that. No, let me pause it here, guys, to get the plastic off this really quick. It's always, I think they seal this pretty good, but let me pause it for a second and get this off. All right, so sorry about that, guys. Of course, as soon as I got the camera stopped, it took me all of 2 seconds to get the plastic off. But here's the watch, real quick look-see, but this is a stunner. I'm super excited to have this. We'll get into the specifications and everything about the watch as we go through it. Obviously, a field watch here from Christopher Ward, and I think there's a lot of special things you guys are going to like about this watch. So stick around for the full review, guys, and we'll talk about the Christopher Ward C65, the Sandhurst model. Super cool field watch from Christopher Ward. Guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And make sure you stick around so you can catch up on the full review of this watch. If you've not subscribed to the channel, also, please do. Thanks, guys.